Namaskara Karnataka. Respected A category Bharati Cement dealers. Good evening to all of you. It is not only respect you got from us, you got the respect from entire cement industry. This is a remarkable situation you earned in just 1 year time. I am proudly announcing you today that respected Bharati Cement dealers are respected in the industry. So all these contributed you to become a respected dealers in the industry. This is not only getting one time, it has to be sustained forever. That means once you are on the top of it, you should enjoy the same situation like this. Today the competition is going on in the World Cup. Who will be the winner? Can you guess? Same guess I am having. Bharati dealers will be the winners. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for making this Bharati Cement A category premium product and A grade dealers of the industry. Without your support, we would not have achieved this. Because from our side, we have given you the best quality product, but at the same time, you have placed before the customers, you have given excellent service, you have given dedicated services to everybody. That is the reason we could achieve this. Now, quality we have given, quantity you are improving day by day. As Mr. Raghav said, when we had a launch, first launch meet we had in Karnataka. That is our sentiment. Now we are having first dealer meet in Karnataka. That is also another sentiment. Today, in Bharati Cement, we have more than 1,625 dealers. That is the record in the industry which has got the so much largest network having in South India. This is the company and you are all one among that. Coming to the products, you have already acknowledged whatever we have given and whatever packing you have seen, it has got a tremendous response from your customers. Earlier, I would like to tell you that in few occasions, we were not able to service you. That means on-time supply we could not give you because we could not get material from imported. Today, I am proudly announcing you that we have a bag manufacturing unit in Bharati Group, so there will not be any problem for you forever. Absolutely no need to look back. You can get packing material always at your doorstep whenever you want. So that is the arrangement we have made. Little bit time though we suffered, but you will not suffer in future at all. I am promising.